In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download Minecraft on your PC or laptop. If this guide does help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But the first thing that you're going to want to do is actually open up a web browser, and this could be any web browser that you would like, and just search up Minecraft. Go to the official link up at the very top, and what you're going to want to do is up in the very top section where it says account, select it and sign in. You're going to want to sign in or sign up with Microsoft. It's completely up to you. If you don't have a Microsoft account, go ahead and create one. But after you get logged in, it should take you to a page that looks something like this. This is going to be your profile page right here. Go to the all games section and you're going to see all the games that you own or could go ahead and purchase. If you're on Windows 10 or 11, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is select whatever game you're trying to download by hitting buy now on it and then hitting check out and specifically choose download for Windows. Otherwise, go ahead and scroll down to other versions and platforms and choose the one specific to your platform. That download button should look something like this. But when the file does finish downloading, go ahead and open up your download folders and just double click on Minecraft installer. And it's going to load you to a page that looks like this. And if you are prompted again to sign in with your Microsoft account, go ahead and do so. You may have to accept the license terms, but once you do that, you'll be able to hit install. And once it does finish installing, go ahead and select play. And you'll be good to get loaded into Minecraft. But once again, if you hadn't yet purchased Minecraft and were able to download the launcher, keep in mind you are going to need to buy Minecraft. I recommend just getting Java Edition because it's also going to give you Bedrock Edition as well. But once you have it purchased and downloaded, hit play again and you'll be into Minecraft. And anytime you want to play Minecraft, you go to the Minecraft launcher itself and then you'll be able to get into it. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.